All right, so the sustainability practices at HHN and BSU, comparisons and suggestions.
So now we come to the background of HHN Sondheim Mensa. It opened in 2015. It's located in Sondheim. It is a part of the city in Heilbronn. It is also a part of the Heidelberg Studierendenwerk that hosts 21 different cafes and dining halls. At lunchtime, the cafeteria offers an inexpensive menu with many variations. It can hold up roughly 480 students at the same time. Business hours are from Monday to Friday from 11 till 2 p.m. So you have to do a self-checkout, so no cash payments for student. You have to use your dining card and weight your plate and pay for every 100 grams of your food.
Background for Bears Den. This is in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. So we start off with three separate locations for food: Park Ave, Bears Den, and the Smoothie Station. Main area has a pasta station, burger station, sushi station, and a burrito station. You can also use cash. You can use credit cards. You can use your dining dollars and meal swipes in this location. And the food is made to your order at the station of your choice, or you can buy pre-made sandwiches out of one of the refrigerators. And they also offer groceries such as eggs and milk, etc.
Now we are coming to our SWOT analysis from the HHN Mensa Sondheim. We have some strength, food quality, and we have many options every day. We have always vegetarian food. We have local food sourcing, and we have cashless payments. And well, really clean. The weaknesses are you can pay with a different card, not with the study card, and it's very busy every time at 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. We have short operation hours and not allergy friendly. The opportunities are late night hours, scale for buffet options, cutting food variety, and water dispenser. The tweets are declining customer numbers, hygiene to be late for the next course at 2 p.m., and the increase in food prices.
So the SWOT analysis for Bears Den, their strengths, there's many different payment methods, but the unique one to Bears Den is the SNAP benefit, which provides benefits for more individuals with lower income households, so they can still eat at their dining hall. So they have the Starship Robot Delivery, and it's the only dining hall campus in New England that offers this idea and makes lives of students much easier so they don't have to commute across campus if it's snowing or raining. Their weaknesses, they're very busy, and their operation hours, because they're not open on the weekends, so people can't get food from there on the weekends. For opportunities, they offer work for students, and they have special offers, reduced price experience every college student deserves. And they offer online ordering, and that's able to place the order for food and takes short amount of time to get your food packaged and ready for you. Some threats are they're not open every day, and competitors offer authentic seafood options, like colleges offer seafood like lobsters on some days of the week.
So now we come to the service blueprint of the Mensa Heilbronn in Sondheim. So the process starts by checking your card balance, making sure you have enough money on it. Once prepared, grab a tray, cutlery, and a plate. If a salad is on your menu, visit the salad bar or proceed directly to the main courses, where you can choose from normal, vegetarian, or vegan options. Be mindful of the price as it correlates with the quantity of food you select. Optional appetizers are available, followed by a delightful dessert of your choice. If you desire a beverage, this is the right time to grab one. Given the variety typical available at the checkout counter, your meal will be weighed and the cost will be deducted from your card balance. After finishing your meal, head to the tray return area, separate your waste appropriately and dispose of it. Then place your tray, plates, and cutlery on the electric conveyor. The conveyor will transport the tray to the kitchen for washing and future use. This systematic process ensures a smooth and sustainable dining experience at Mensa Sondheim.
For the service blueprint of Bears Den, you start by entering the building. From either side, it has 2 entrances, as well as entrances from the outside. And then look at the signs showing you which station is which. And then identifying the lines for each individual station. And then the 2 checkout lines. And after that, you want to go up to the stations, choose what you want, grab a drink, go to the checkout area, and then find a table to sit at in the main dining area. And for onstage contact person, they greet and take bags, process registration, and deliver bags. For backstage contact person, they take bags back to the room. And then for support process is the registration system.
So yeah, our sustainability practices now fundamentals on time. Fundamentals on time prioritizes sustainability through a 3-pronged waste separation strategy and emphasizing the use of reusable dining ware. With meticulous food calculation and freezing of non-served items, the institution minimized food waste. Additionally, Mendes on Time promotes responsible meat consumption by serving specific portions and offers a wide array of vegan and vegetarian options, catering to diverse dietary preferences. These initiatives showcase the institution's commitment to creating an eco-friendly and inclusive dining experience.
For the sustainability practices for Bears Den, they offer pre and post-consumer food waste composting. They have compostable napkins made from post-consumer content. In Bears Den, there is recycle bins. There's napkin dispensers to help reduce how many napkins each person is taking. There is single-use utensil dispensers to help the same thing. Bears Den uses local suppliers to gain some of their items, and they also provide frozen food.
So now we come to the sustainability practice suggestions for HHN. So the first recommend is to use less packaging waste. So also use less water, only use local and seasonal food, giving the leftover food to those who needs it, and create a vegetable patch as a study project.
So for the sustainability practice suggestion at BSU, I find it great if we could have option where students could put food directly on the tray when possible, certain foods, not all food, and also have food sample to determine the best options. And having a 24 hours ATM food machine for hot food that was unsold or unused during the dining service for the day. And for the drink pod, it's a personalized drink flavor. It's much healthier, so students have more options opposed to using the vendor machines. And also for the food waste, diverted to composite facilities and edible package from seaweed. And the food marble is a personalized digestive tracker, which allows students to eat much healthier because it it tracks the level of your hydro level and it prevents you from what you shouldn't be eating. And for the Castrograph AI, which also predicts new recipe based on what you currently eat now. So that will give the chefs options to what they actually should be creating new food, how to create new recipes